Hey Carrot, I'm so happy to see you back. Today is a test day and it covers from chapter 5 to chapter 7. Please open page 68 here and do the test. See you soon. Okay, are you done? Let's check the answers together. Number 1. We have to choose an incorrect translation. A. 수연 is not here. 수연 씨 여기 있어요? 있어요 means 수연 is here, so it has to be 수연 씨 여기 없어요. And B. I have a pencil. 연필 있어요. C. I have an apple. 사과 있어요. Nancy is not at home. Nancy 씨 집에 없어요. The others are all correct. Number 2. We have to choose mismatching meaning. A. 학교, school. B. 형제, female sibling. C. 가족, family. D. 생일, birthday. The answer is B. 형제 means male sibling. Female sibling is 자매. Number 3, we have to choose a word that is not a family member. A. 엄마. B. 할머니. C. 점원. D. 여동생. The answer is C. 점원 means clock. 엄마 is mom. 할머니 is grandmother. And 여동생 is younger sister. Number 4, we gotta choose a weird conversation. A. 모자가 얼마예요? How much is the cap? 15,000원이에요. It's 15,000 won. 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? 34,000원이에요. It's 34,000 won? No. It has to be something like 10월 23일이에요. It can be price. It's your birthday. So the answer is B. Next, 티셔츠가 얼마예요? 50,000원이에요. 시험이 언제예요? 2월 8일이에요. Oh, great. Number 5. You gotta choose a sentence for here is in hospital. A. 크리스티나 씨 병원에 없어요. Christina is not in hospital. B. 피에르 씨 병원에 없어요. 피에르 is not in hospital. C. 피에르 씨 병원에 있어요. That's the answer. So the answer is C. Question number 6. You gotta choose a correct sentence for please give me 2 bottles of water. Water in Korean is 물. And 2, native Korean number 2 is 둘. But it becomes 2 in front of counters. And counter for bottles it's 병. And please give me in Korean is 주세요. So if you mix them together, it becomes 물, 두 병 주세요. So the answer is D. And question number 7. You gotta choose appropriate answer for 책 몇 권 있어요? How many books do you have? When they ask you with 권, the counter for books, you have to answer with 권. So the answer is A. 세 권 있어요. Question number 8. We gotta choose a number that Korean song do not match. A. 1. 하나. 1. Good. B. 6. 6. For 6. Great. C. 8. 9. 9. It should be 8 and 8. 9 and 9 are for 9. And D. 10. 10. 10. Great. So the answer is C. And question number 9. We have to choose a correct way of writing 101 94151023. Yeah, it's a phone number. And for this stick hyphen, it is called 에 when we are talking about phone numbers. So it has to be 010에 9415에 1023. So the answer is A. The last question. You gotta choose a correct sentence word. Please give me 1 떡볶이 and 2 glasses of water. First, you gotta know that the counter for glass is 잔. And 1 in native Korean number is 하나. And 2 in native Korean number is 둘. But you say 두 in front of counters. So it has to be 떡볶이 하나랑 물 2잔 주세요. So the answer is A. Yay! Well done today. Tell me your score on the comment section. I'm very excited for it. And please review the part that you made mistake today. That's the only homework. And then take enough rest. That's all. And click like and subscription button. That's also probably your homework. And check sooandcarrots.com to get this book. Bye guys. Love you.